Hi. It's like, where'd my phone go? Oh no. My phone under you? Oh. It's like 3:30 and, oops. It's like 3:30 and it's like really hot. My dog's really old too, and I'm really worried about her. The sun is starting to come over my shelter. I can't hardly get out of the sun now. I've been yelling and yelling and yelling for help. I don't know what's going to happen. I just want you to know that I'm hanging in and I'm praying. I'm praying that somebody helps me. I love you guys. Thanks for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Because this is terrible. This is life and death. I don't even know how hot it is, but it's so hot. I'm so glad I had all these blankets and stuff to make this shelter. I'm glad I have water. It's hot, but I have water. And I have food, but I can't cook it because it's a fire hazard. I do have some sandwich meat and some yogurt. My ice is melting pretty fast though. Well, I'm going to let you go. Please subscribe. I just wanted to check in. I've only got 15 minutes left. 5 minutes left, I mean. All right. I'm going to go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.